Hello, good night. Lion Business and Project Management Foreign Language 2 Tutor Oscar Antonio García Vega A11 Video Student Yasmin Cruz Castillo. My history. My name is Yasmin Cruz Castillo. I am 31 years old. I am from Mexico State. Both at the moment I live in Pachuca, Hidalgo. At this moment I am home because of the contingent measures, attending my works, scholar, and home students. In December last year, I went to vacation. I cooked this. My little girl called Ariel. She is 5 years old. We visit las grutas de Tolantongo y Alberto Park, located on the municipal of Ixmiquilpan, Hidalgo. We speak 2 days of sun, pool, vegetation, and a cabin where we made a roast beef on the grill, wine and bonfire, and marshmallow. My family. My family is very peculiar. I was born and I home accompanied by a great family. My father, Mr. Joe, used to tell me that at night. My mother, Mr. Emma, used to make the best food. I very thirsty. I still miss those potato cake that no one can do like here. She passed away 5 years old. I am still much here. I have a sister called Bejani. I think here is buried when have the heart as one only other person. 5 years ago, I have beard to July years make miracles shine my life every day. My darling name is Avril. She's very like watch TV, dance, and play hit her coursing. And thanks.